Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a very requested video. I have already done this, but that is totally not how I edit my pictures anymore. I might even take it down because when I watch those videos I kind of cringe. So please don't watch it. I'm gonna show you how I do my Instagram stories because you people ask all the time. That app hasn't changed, but I've learned new tricks with it, and I'm also going to show you how I edit my pictures on Lightroom. I'm just going to show you how to maintain one kind of tone in your pictures, and Lightroom is very easy to use and very user friendly, and I love it. I could not survive without it. So I'm going to insert a screen of my phone recording here so you guys can check that out. Okay, so let's get started. This is my app folder. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 apps here which I use. I use most of them. Snapseed I don't use so much now because I'm using Lightroom, but I still go back to it once in a while, so it is there. Then VSCO I used to use a lot before I found out Lightroom, but I still go back to it once in a while when I want that grainy and my favorite filter. I want to use A5. And Fuji I love those retro kind of pictures. Then Unfold is the app that I use for my Instagram stories all the time. In short, it's the most versatile app. If you want to have one app that does all the job, then in short it is. Like, I will show you how. HypeType is when you want to add interesting text. I also learned that InShot you can download fonts and use it on InShot, which is really cool. Then Preview is an app that I use to check the layout of my Instagram feed and what I want to post. I don't use it all the time. I used to spend so much time on it before, but now I don't. Then Lightroom I used to edit all my pictures, and Tessa is the app by this blogger that you guys might know. She's amazing. Okay, anyway, let's get started. So I'm going to start with pictures. Basically, you select the settings that you like and then you copy paste those settings in all the pictures to get the similar tone, but obviously you have to edit the exposure and the contrast, the saturation, and the colors are different in every picture, so you have to edit those things out. So I am just gonna add a picture. Let's take this one. It's very bright, it's taken indoors, so I'm gonna copy the settings of a picture that was taken outdoors to show you how I make it work. For example, this picture we're gonna copy settings, and now we're gonna paste it. So as you can see, it is so bright. Like, you don't want that bright of a picture. Like, sun is almost burning you, so I'm going to reduce the exposure a bit. I like a lot of contrast in my pictures, but you do you. So highlights, I don't want more highlights because it's already a very bright picture because it was taken during the day. You can play with shadows if you want. If you like to like the pictures towards the darker side, then decrease the shadows. I like it somewhere in between. I play with everything. There is not certain settings that I play with. So now color is my favorite. So we select mix, and in mix you can highlight every color that you want to highlight in your picture. For example, the red is too stark. Like, my feed does not have so much stark red, and if I put this picture up, it's gonna like blow up. So I'm gonna reduce saturation of the red, as you can see, as it also reduces that. And for example, this basically colors, if you want neutral tones, you can I mostly use saturation tool here. Okay, we are not using luminance, that is clear, and there are no other stark colors in this picture, so we're gonna just reduce the reds and we're done. That changes the lip color, but I don't mind that, so you select according to what you like. Temperature, if you like towards the cooler side, you can reduce the temperature. I mean, these are basic things that I don't need to tell you. So we're gonna increase the temperature a little bit. We don't want any kind of a tint. Saturation, we are good where it is. Yeah, and now effects, you can add green to your pictures here as well as much as you want, but I don't like, I'm honestly done with grain. I don't use grain so much anymore. It's like very less, and yeah, this works for me. Before, after, are we gonna just share it, maximum size available, and we're gonna export it. I honestly spend hours editing my pictures, especially when I'm done with the shoot. I'll ask my photographer to send me the pictures, unedited ones, and I'll start editing them. And my photographers must hate me because I do edit over their pictures, which nobody likes, but I think people have made their peace with it, so we're good. So that is how I've edited these all these pictures, different lights. Yep, that is all about Lightroom. And the other app I use for picture editing and video editing is InShot. InShot is such a versatile app. Like, all my IGTV videos are edited on there. I'm not even kidding. Like, I can even edit YouTube videos on there, but I haven't tried, so maybe one day I will try. Okay, now talking about InShot, I'm going to show you guys how I add the glitch effect that I add in my stories sometimes. So basically, you select video and there are no pictures. I'm going to just select this picture that I downloaded off of Pinterest. I'm always on Pinterest. I just really liked this vintagey feel of it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to select filters. There are a lot of filters already available. These filters have a very retro vibe to it, which I really love. You can also purchase the filters. I haven't purchased honestly anything. Suppose you select this black and white one, and then you select effect and glitch. Amazing. Then flip, mirror, mosaic, neon. This is really cool. I really like this. And black and white, wave, and then you can obviously purchase more things. I have honestly not purchased, but I really want to. I really like this noise filter. So I think we're gonna stick with glitch. And the best thing about this, like, you can choose a background of your choice and you can insert pictures to make your stories interesting, and that is if you want to. So how to insert pictures? Select the sticker tool, then you select pictures. Yeah, so you select this picture, you put it here, and I'll show you another cool trick that I just learned. I'm gonna add this picture again. We're gonna select, put one after the other so that they come like top. So I think we're good here. So if you want, you can just speed up the process. This is how it looks. So, and now you can add text. And post. This is for the very vintagey kind of effect if you want in your pictures. So that is your story ready. How cool does that look? I'm sorry, I got totally lost in that editing. And you can also edit pictures and edit all kinds of videos on InShot. It is a little slow while saving, but other than that, it's perfect. We saved it, and now I'm gonna show you how it looks on Instagram because it's the Instagram size. How sick is that? I love it. Now talking about Instagram stories again, I'm going to talk about Unfold. Unfold is an app I use all the freaking time. It is my favorite app. I have also made some in-app purchases. So this is the app. These are a few things that I've already done. So I'm going to show you how I do it basically. So what you already get here is this one, which is pretty good. You don't need to do any in-app purchases, but if you wish to, you can. I have, and I love it. So you can select the pictures. It looks really cool like this as well. You can add text to your pictures. Now on the feed, and you can change the font. I really like this font. Increase the size, move it up, size bit. You can also change the color of the font, etc. But I don't want to. I really like the black. and you can also change the background color if you would like. I really like this color. I drift towards it more than I drift towards white. So yeah. And for the ones that I've purchased, I have purchased FF1. I really like it because it has that Polaroid kind of effect on the pictures. For example, this one. I'm gonna add the same picture again and again. I'm sorry, guys. How cool does that look? I really, so you don't need to do all this stuff, but if you really enjoy being creative with your Instagram and your Instagram stories, then of course do it. I do it all the time because I am obsessed. And that is pretty much how it works. You can also insert videos. I'm gonna insert the video that we just made on InShot here and make it look even more interesting. Yep, insert it here and here again. It just added another frame to the picture, which looks great if you want to go all out. And yeah, that is about it. That is as simple, and it is a free app, and you don't even need to make any in-app purchases in all these apps. These work perfectly. Now I am going to show you Tessa. It's a very simple app. I again haven't made any in-app purchases. If you would really like that kind of vintagey, greeny feel to the pictures, then you can definitely check this out. It is really cool. And I just use these 3 filters. Others you need to buy, but these 3 work for me when I really like. Of course, I need to reduce the effect of it because my skin looks burnt. And then I can add dust to the pictures. You can also change the color of the dust here. So I think I'm going to keep it white only, but I'm going to reduce it a little bit, and you can move the dust around as well. It's as simple as that. And save it. Yep, that is about it. Those are all the apps that I use, and also I'll let you in on one more secret. I also use this one Instagram filter on all my pictures, no matter if I've edited them or not. It has a brownie, pinky, vintagey look, and I really dig that. So I really use that. I use it somewhere between 40 to 50, not more than that, on some pictures which are darker, which are very bright. On those I use like go up to 60 or 65 max, nothing more than that. So for this picture I will use it like somewhere here. Okay, I'll also let you in on another secret. There's one filter that I use on Instagram as well, and I use it on all my pictures and videos, and the filter is called Aiden. I really like it. I usually use it somewhere between 40 to 50. For this picture I can go up to 60, I feel. Yeah, and it just adds a little bit of like that pinky vintagey vibe to the picture, and I really like it. I've never used Instagram frames. I think Instagram should remove them. Anyway, not my problem. And yeah, that is what I use on all my pictures, no matter if I've edited them, not edited. I've probably edited all my pictures. So yeah, I use them on all my pictures. And yeah, that is about it. Those are all the apps and features that I use. If there's anything else that you want to know, comment down below and I will try and get to you. I hope you found this useful. Everything that I do is super simple and super recreatable, and you can do it as well. I have learned it on my own, and it is super simple, and you can too. So yeah, do tell me if you enjoyed this video and if you're going to try any of the apps and the tricks that I just showed you. And yeah, that is about it for this video. I'm going to see you guys again really soon, and thank you for watching. Also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Let's get to 10,000 subscribers really soon. And yep, that is about it. I'm going to see you guys again soon. Bye bye.